Hi dearest traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to see you once again in today's new video. So today I'm going to be trading using the Bollinger Band indicator. Of course, I'll be carrying out technical analysis first before using the indicator signals. So today I'm going to be working out on situations I'm quite familiar with, and I'm going to be relying on this indicator to find very good entry points and try and make very good profit today, and hopefully I'm able to hit my goal for today. I'm going to start with a deposit of $156 and try and hit my goal for today, which is around $20,000 or more. And hopefully by the end of this video you can be able to learn how I rely on this indicator to find good entry points, what I pay attention to, and how I open my deals. So let me show you how to interpret this indicator and find good entry points. So as you can see, the indicator represents the price channel, top level borders, moving average, and bottom level borders. As you can see, the higher the volatility becomes on the market, the wider the price channel becomes, and when the volatility falls on the market, the price channel becomes narrower. This indicator can give different signals for entry into the deal, and I'm going to look at some of them. For example, here you can enter a deal when there is an impulse breakthrough of the bottom border of the price channel with an increase of the price. You can also enter the deal with a breakthrough of the top border of the channel with a decrease. Here you can see an example of such a situation. Also, the deal can be opened by breaking through the middle line of the indicator. For example, here the graph breaks through the midline of the indicator from down up, and the price goes higher. At the same time, the middle line is the resistance level. You can also enter the deal with a red fall when breaking through the middle line from up down. Here you can see that the price goes down, while the middle line in such a situation is the resistance level. So here I showed you the main signals of this indicator, and today I'll be looking at some of these working moments. Let me find my first entry point. Here we have a good confident downtrend. At the same time, the price is in the correction and makes a good rollback up. As you can see, the graph is in the upper zone of the price channel. In such a situation, I'm going to be waiting for an intersection with the graph of the middle line from up down, and when such an intersection occurs, I'm going to open a deal for a fall for 2 minutes and continue to move down according to the down trade. You can see until the previous price minimum there is still enough place. At the same time, you can see that the main price maximum on the graph is reduced. All this tells me that the price has a good potential for a decrease here. At the same time, the price is moving more impulsively, and most importantly with red candlesticks here. So with more probability in the near future, the price will continue to move down. In this situation, I took the time of 2 minutes with a margin, taking into account the possible trading, or maybe the price may move up. But let me wait and see the results. Well, this is not bad at all. You can see the price continues to move down and my deal closes below the entry point. Here I got very great profit, and as you can see, the indicator really told me a very good entry point for my first deal, and also the time was enough. Let me find my next entry point. So as you can see, the price continues to move along the downtrend. At the same time, here we have an impulsive red candlestick, and the graph crosses the middle line of the indicator from up down. In this situation, I'm going to be opening a deal for a fall for 2 minutes here, since I think that with more probability, the price will continue to move down along the downtrend. At the same time, you can see that to the previous price minimum on the graph, there is still enough space left. Also, if you look into the situation in general, you can see that the main price maximum still go down. All this tells me that the price has a good potential for a decrease. And in this situation, I took time for 2 minutes with a reserve, taking into account that the price may get into the trading zone where a rollback up may occur. But let me wait and see the results. This is awesome. You can see that the price continues to move down, and here I got a confident plus. Here I opened a deal on the moving average break at a decrease, and as you can see, the indicator did not fail to hint a good entry point, and I got quite a good profit here. 2 minutes was enough time for this. Let me find my next working situation. So here you can see the impulsive price continues to come to the top of the indicator's border and breaks this border. In this situation, I'm going to suggest opening a deal for a fall for 2 minutes since I think that now the price will move down, since as you can see the main price maximums on the graph continue to decrease. At the same time, right now you can see that the price moves down impulsively and mainly with red candlesticks. All this tells me that with more probability in the near future the price will continue to move down according to the downtrend, and 2 minutes in this time is with a reserve, taking into account the possibility of a trading or a price rollback up. Let me wait and see the results. This is great, friends. You can see the price continues to move down, and here I got a confident plus. Here you can see that we go to the top border impulse break at a decrease, and you can see that the indicator did not miss again and gave me an excellent entry point. 2 minutes was enough time for this. Let me find my next working situation. Here you can see the price continues to make a small drop to the top, and then we got an impulsive red candlestick. In this situation, I'm going to be opening a deal for a fall for 2 minutes, since I think that now the price will continue to move down according to the downtrend. Here you can see that the price is breaking the middle line of this indicator and going down. That is, the indicator tells me that the price has a good potential for a decrease. Also here I can see that last time the price is already in some kind of trading for some time and can't go higher. Such an impulse tells me that with the most probability in the near future the price will move down according to the downtrend. In the situation, I use 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account the possible rollback up, but let me wait and see the results of this trade. This is awesome, friends. As you can see, the price shows a good decrease, and here we got a confident plus. As you can see, I entered the deal with the impulse breakthrough of the middle line of the indicator, and analyzing the overall situation on the market, we didn't enter with a price increase but with a decrease, taking into account that the price will continue to fall with an impulse. But let me continue and find my next trading situation. Here you see we have a good and confident downtrend. At the same time, as you can see, at the moment the price is in a correction, and also as you can see the graph intersects the middle line of the indicator from up down. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal for a fall for 2 minutes, since I think now the price will continue to move down, and to the previous price minimum we have just enough space. Also, as you can see, the overall trend on the market is a downtrend, and most of the time the price is in the lower zone of the price channel. All this tells me that the price has a good potential for a decrease here, so with the more probability the price will continue to move down according to the downtrend. Also in this situation, I use 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account the possible trades. Then wait for the results. This is excellent. You can see the price continues to move down, and I got great profit here. In this situation, I managed to make a small movement down, and in such a situation you can see 2 minutes was perfectly enough for this trade. Also, the indicator didn't miss again and gave me a good entry point, and as you can see I have $3,000 as my deposit. Let me continue and find my next entry point. So here we have a good and confident downtrend. At the same time, as you can see, at the moment the price is in the correction zone. Also, I can see here the graph has crossed the middle line of the indicator and continues to move down. In this situation, I'm going to be opening a deal for a fall for 2 minutes here, because I think that the price will continue to move down according to the downtrend. And also, as you can see here, we had a certain trend after which the price made an impulse down and continued to move down. Such a deal happens according to the overall downward movement. That is, it gives me an understanding that the price has a good potential for a decrease. In this situation, I use 2 minutes, of course, with the reserve, considering the possibility of a rollback up. Let me wait and see the results. This is great. You can see the price continues to move down according to my scenario, and here I got great profit. In the situation, 2 minutes was perfectly enough. The indicator showed me a good entry point. Let me find my next entry point. Here we have a good and confident downtrend. As you can see, at the moment the price goes down and the graph crosses the middle line of the indicator from up down. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal for a fall for 2 minutes, because I think that the price will continue to move down according to the downtrend here. Also, as you can see, the main price maximums on the graph are decreasing lately. At the same time, the price moves down mainly with red candlesticks. Also, you can see the middle line break, tells us that the price has a good potential for a decrease here, and most likely the price will continue to move down. So in this situation, I use 2 minutes, taking into account that the price may still have a rollback up but then continue to move down. Let me wait for the results. This is excellent. As you can see, the price continues to move down, and here I got a confident plus. 2 minutes was enough time for this trade, and as you can see, the indicator didn't miss again and hit the right entry point here. You can see that right now I have already $8,000 on my deposit, and I'm confidently approaching my trading goal. Let me find more situations to work on. Here we have a good and confident uptrend. At the same time, I can see at the moment the price is in the correction, and the graph again crosses the moving average from down up. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal on a rising for 2 minutes because I think that the price will continue to move up now. And as you can see, here we have the main price minimums on the graph are rising. It means that the price has a good potential for an increase here. Also, after a slight decline, you can see that the price eventually goes up and crosses the average line of the indicator. This all tells me that the price has a good potential for an increase here, and with more probability in the near future, the price will continue to move up on this trend. At the moment, you can see the price is already going higher than our entry point, so I'm going to wait and see the results of this trade. This is not bad at all. As you can see here, we have an impulsive green candlestick. Thus the price shows a good growth, and I got great profit here. 2 minutes in this situation was perfectly enough, and the indicator also hinted a very excellent entry point, and here I managed to enter the deal with a breakthrough of the middle line of the indicator. Let me find my next entry point. So as you can see, the price is again going up from the middle line of the indicator and updating the previous price maximum. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal on a rise for 2 minutes, since I think that with more probability, the price will continue to move up on the uptrend. In the situation, I also use 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account that the price can have a drop down and then continue to move up. Also, as you can see, the main price minimums on the graph are getting higher. Also, the price made a jump up from the middle line of the indicator, which at the moment is the support level. This says that the price has a good potential for an increase here, and with more probability, I'm thinking that the price will continue to move up. Let me wait for the end of this deal. This is excellent, friends. As you can see, the price moves according to my scenario, and I was able to make very good profit from this trade. So this indicator really gave me a perfectly good entry point, and as you can see, I've chosen an excellent entry point according to the indicator, and also 2 minutes was perfectly enough time for this trade. You can see that right now my deposit is already $22,000, and I would like to fix this price and leave the market. So as you saw, I was able to rely on this indicator to find very good entry points on the market, and I was able to hit my goal for today. I got around $22,000, which is quite good. You can also find such similar situations on the market because they repeat themselves. Work them out as I did, and you'll be able to make very good profit on your own. I'm sure by now you saw what I paid attention to before opening a deal, so you can practice on your own and you're able to learn how to use this indicator on your own. Of course, you have to combine it with technical analysis. Carry out technical analysis first, then use the indicator signals in order to avoid error, and also they work well together. And also, if you have any questions concerning today's trades, you can comment down below. And also don't forget to support the channel by liking the video, sharing this video, and also subscribing down below to my channel and hitting the notification bell. So good luck in your trades. Until next time, bye bye.